Let's begin a class of grammar with the topic editing and error correction of words and sentences. Students, I strongly advise you to go through this chapter and try to score the full marks because it's quite easy as well as easily manageable, and it will possess 5 marks for your board examination purpose. Okay, so in the editing and error correction, as the sentence itself suggests, words itself suggests, you have to make some right correction in the wrong sentences. One sentence already written in the what you can say wrong style, you have to recorrect it and write it down again. So I read from here. In the following passages, each line has an arrow. You can see in the following passages is each line has an arrow. Edit the passage by identifying the wrong word and inappropriate expressions. Write it off, then write the correct word in your answer book as shown in the above example of each of the passages. You can see some mistakes are there in these sentences, and you have to write the correct answers in this help box, in the side box. So all the world is in stage. Now we can say all the world and stage, not stage, it's a stage. So the right answer is a stage. Second point is an all the man, sorry, first point is and all the men and women merely playing. It's not playing, it's players here. So I have jotted down the right answers in front of you. Second point says they had their exits and their entrances. Okay, and in this way you have to do all the work. You can see answers are given here. One man in his time plays some part. So the correct answers would be like this. Okay, uh, second passage is also like that. You have to do the same thing. You have to write the right answer, like the porter asked Michael for wait at the woodbench. The first may it should have been answer, should have been put here. I turn the page here. I have filled up the answers accordingly, like in all the men and women merely playing. It's not playing, it's players here. So our answer is players, and they had their, not there. It's have. They are all alive now. And one man in his time plays some part, not some part, many parts. His acts begin 7 ages on the first in 20. It is 8. Okay, mewing and puking into the nurse's arm, and then the weaning schoolboy with the sketcher. Okay, so in this way you have to do all the rest of the things here. Okay, thank you for giving me your time. Thank you.